So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for Ondo Finance. It's been a couple of days since we did a price prediction. You guys can tell that we originally thought and felt that Ondo was due for some lower prices. That didn't occur. Instead, price went higher in Ondo. It eliminated all of these sell pockets right here. So we'll get rid of those sell pockets and keep this upper sell pocket because it's still valid, and see if this market in Ondo is going to continue to trade within this range that you guys can actually see, or will it actually finally break down for what we anticipated. So welcome everyone to the channel. Hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of these sell pockets first for Ondo, because those buyers completely eliminated those sellers that were within those pockets and brought price all the way up here to $1.12. That is where the sellers re-engaged and took control of the price and lower it down to where those buyers grabbed the price at that buy pocket. Okay, so that's pretty good to see buyers in Ondo still here off of this buy pocket. It lets us know that they're still interested in buying this cryptocurrency around 85-86 cents, which continue to let us know that this may be a stage to where Ondo consolidates. Okay, we may be in that process to where the market doesn't go anywhere and it just simply trades within a range. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here first. You guys can see that 16.02% was hit on September the 10th, 2025. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that. And now you guys can actually see that trading range. Now, as we see price in Ondo begin to lift, we need to recognize that if this market makes a lower high, like maybe around $1 nickel, and the sellers begin to push price back down, we may actually be in a downtrend in the market for Ondo. So you kind of can see it like this. Okay. Because the market currently is making lower highs off of the daily time frame. Look at this on the 2. So again, my current premise is that buyers are still in control of price. So I'm still expecting some uplift in this cryptocurrency's price. It's just a determination as to how high price can go. So we need to recreate areas of selling in the market in Ondo for potential targets of price. And then here's the next one right here. So now look at this on the 3. Currently we have 12 hours 55 minutes left, and the market is still pretty healthy outside of the fact that price is closing off of the highs for Ondo. That's not good. So we may actually be hitting a sell pocket on an hourly chart in Ondo right now. Look at this on the 4. 12 hours 55 minutes left on the 4 on this bar as well. Here it is on the 5. I like the last printed 5-day bar in Ondo. That's pretty good there too. It lets us know that the buyers did come through off of this buy pocket, because on the prior 5 days they brought price to the pocket, and then the buyers took control and took price and lifted it away from the pocket. So that tells you that those buyers are in the market. Here it is on the weekly chart so far. Let's look at this for the month of September. This is where I get pause as to how bullish or how strong the price is in the market in Ondo, because these last 2 months wasn't bullish. In fact, they were bearish. August and September. Now you can tell that buyers attempted to close price at the highs of these monthly price bars. They just were not successful, which tells us that sellers were more active in selling their Ondo than buyers were currently trying to buy. So this may be, this current monthly price bar for October may just be a false, maybe giving people a false hope, false feeling that this cryptocurrency is definitely still bullish. We may see it run to one of those pockets that we created, sell pockets, and then the resumption of lower prices may begin for Ondo. Okay, so now let's look at this on an hourly chart. Here it is on an 11-hour time frame. You can see where the buyers are currently controlling. I think the market still has some momentum to try to hit that first sell pocket. So maybe 4-5% move is still left in the tank for the buyers to try to lift the price. Look at this on the 5-hour chart. So here is a buy pocket right there on the 5 hour. Look at this on the 3. This 3 hour bar right here is where it's showing you where the sellers are on the hourly chart. Here it is on the 1. And Ondo on the 330. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to anticipate the market in Ondo continuing its upward move. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart. We're going to try to target this first pocket of selling around 98 to 99, maybe $1. 5.5% move to the upside there. And our next target would be around $1.02 to $1.03, which is 9.6% there. Okay, so now, again, throughout the month of October, we actually see enough momentum for Ondo to run to this third sell pocket. Okay, so we're going to hold this near-term sell pocket where price is currently hitting, just as a reference point. Just if you see price not go higher, this is the reason. That sell pocket right there on the hourly chart that we created. So you'll just see that as a reference. All right, so that is it. I am done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.